Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today I'm here to ask for your help. Microsoft, the community site, just released this Fabric Community Sticker Design Challenge. Okay, and they have a few different categories, right? Like this one is the one that I particularly honed in on: inside joke for developers and data. Now, the way this works is you submit a sticker design, and if your sticker design gets the most kudos, basically in one of these categories, then Microsoft will print these and they will distribute these at the European Microsoft Fabric Community Conference in Stockholm. Um, and then you have like you can basically vote through August 23rd. So of course, me being me, I decided to submit an entry on this. And you might surmise what it is. But there's some really great entries out here, right? But this is the one that I submitted, right? So just a sticker of banana pickle math, if you will. And I'm going to put a link to this in the description of this video. And all I'm asking for you to do is just go out and vote for this thing because it would be hilarious if Microsoft actually had to print these stickers and distribute them at that conference. I think it would be the funniest thing. I might actually take a trip to Stockholm just to pick one up, because I'm that crazy. So I need you guys to go out and vote this thing up. I'm begging you guys. I've helped a lot of you over the years with my videos and out on the community site. If I've ever helped you, or you ever found any of my stuff helpful, please go out and vote for this awful sticker design. Right? It's terrible compared to all these other ones that are out here that are really great artists and that. But I don't think that should matter. I think me being a terrible artist, I should have, be I should have just as much chance to win this as actual decent artists out there. That's my feeling anyway. I think that's a very equitable position to take. That's all I'm asking you to do. I want you guys to go out there and vote this thing up because of the hilarity of it. And this I've tried to follow all the rules on this. So you can just go out here. You can just I can't vote for this, right? I can't vote for it myself. So I need you guys to help me vote this thing up. If you've ever found one of my books useful, please go out and vote. I've never asked this audience for anything, so I'm asking for just this one thing. Just help me achieve this, and I'll be eternally grateful to everyone. And maybe I'll even print out the stickers myself. And if you guys send me your address, I'll ship you one. I'll pay for the postage and everything. But anyway, that is all I had for this video. Please go and vote. And I'll see you next time.